Men's warning to people using dating apps in East Tennessee. Online dating can open up your options for finding someone right, but personal safety advocates say there are things you should know before meeting up for your first date.
I think about the Tinder Swindler airing now on Netflix. I mean, it could go in so many different directions. Jacinta Render shares 3 ways to protect yourself or anyone you know who dates online.
Dating is hard. It's hard to find people whose jokes you like, who make you feel safe, who you could imagine spending the rest of your life with. I talked to a Lenoir City woman about her experience finding the right person and why she thinks this is key.
So I've used Plenty of Fish, Tinder, OkCupid. I've signed up for Bumble and Hinge before, but I didn't stay on there more than a couple of days because I just didn't like the way it worked.
It may not be the old-fashioned way of meeting people, but Michelle Griffith in Lenoir City says she likes being able to choose who she wants to interact with.
So, you know, if you meet somebody in person and they come up and talk to you, you kind of feel the pressure to talk back.
She says there are some cons, though.
So many people are looking for hookups, and they don't even try to hide it anymore.
Data collected by the Pew Research Center shows 30% of U.S. adults have used a dating app. It is a popular way to find people, but there are some safety precautions to take. The first thing to do,
I would always examine the profile to see if it is throwing off any red flags that the person could be fake.
Like having only one photo and no biography. Anna Harness is a sexual assault coordinator at Scott Appalachian Industries. They are a nonprofit organization pushing for the safety and wellness of everyone. Harness also says doing a little research wouldn't hurt either.
I also want to look someone up to see if they have any kind of a Tennessee felony offender information record.
Griffith has a few of her own safety rules.
Dinner, lunch, whatever, but you're not coming to my house, I'm not coming to your house right off the bat.
There are people like Griffith who have been single for a while. There are also some who found love online. About 25% of Americans say they found a soulmate on an app.
I just want somebody to spend time with. So if it leads to more and if it leads to marriage, that's fine. If it doesn't, that's fine.
In Lenoir City, I'm Jacinta Render.